ഓക്കെ. Grapes. G for grapes. H for I for J for K for L for M for N for O for P for parrot. Okay. Q for R for rabbit. S for ಸಣ್ಣ. ಸರಿ. T for U for umbrella. Okay, okay. V for van. W for X for okay. Y for Z for zebra. Good, very good. V for എന്താ പറഞ്ഞേ? വാൻ പറഞ്ഞു അല്ലേ? ഗുഡ് ഗുഡ്.